What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Gold Garage. I'm at a new auction house close to my house. Ooh, look at that LS600. Anyway, new auction house, a little different, a hell of a lot more cars. Trying to find the test track. What we got here is a 2010 S80 Volvo. It's in really good shape. Seats need a little dye, but they're not torn, so that's good. Just you know, just need some dye, and I've got that dye that you can rub on here and man, make them look brand new. Carpet's clean. Look at those floor mats. Under the hood's clean. No warning lights except for your typical TPMS. Cold air. We got the heated seats, which is good. Working sunroof, that's good. Looks like it's been clogged up with leaves before, so that might need to be checked out. Let's take her for a little ride. This thing's solid. I mean, solid. Smooth. It's got the 3.2 inline six. I mean, it is a smooth machine, buddy. Super smooth. I'm trying to figure out, there's a test track somewhere. And I've got to find this test track. I think that's it right there. I think you go in down here, and then we could shoot up through there. Man, this car's got cold air, but man, it drives good. This is a solid car. Really like this one. Ah, here's the track. Well, I'll be darned. It's a lot smaller than the one we're used to, folks. But let's give her a run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she is very nice. Very nice. Plenty of smooth power. Yes. I love this wood grain because it has a real nice natural tone to it. It's not shiny. It's just kind of a natural, like, wood. Just natural. Yeah, I'm going to bid on this one tomorrow. This will definitely be one I'm interested in. I got a couple of cars out here I'm interested in today. This poor fella, he's having a hard time. Anyway, there she is. She's pretty nice. 2010, 130,000 miles. Looks pretty good to be white. Doesn't have too many scratches or blemishes. Not bad at all. Anyway, I'm a bidder on this one. We'll see what tomorrow holds. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.